Hey ladies and gentlemen, Alan here with the Contractor License School, and today I want to talk about, do you need your license? Well, how do you know when you need your license? Well, first of all, if you're doing any work over $500, now important to recognize, because a lot of handyman will go, hey, well, Mr. and Mrs. Client, you provide the product or you provide the material and I'll just install it for under 500 bucks and then we'll just call it even. No, you can't do that. The state of California requires that it calculates the labor you spent and all the material. So if they bought something like a door that you're going to install, a front door, and that door costs 850 bucks, you can't touch it. Now, the other thing is you can't do anything that's permanently affixed to the building. Now, some of those things are pretty obvious, like a back patio that's going to be affixed to the outside building. You can't touch that, right? The other thing you can't do is you can't even screw in a cabinet of any kind, a bathroom vanity or a kitchen cabinet or anything, not even an island, because they're considered permanently affixed. Okay, so once you put a screw into that cabinet, even though you may be only charging them $150 and they bought it for 225 bucks, so it doesn't go over 500, you can't do that. It's against the law. Another one that's considered permanently affixed is the connection of the sink to the plumbing of the house. You can't do that as a handyman. That's against the law. Okay, so these are just some of those things that you want to be aware of. Now, make sure that you know that if you are going over $500, you want to get a license, and that's going to be 4 years of experience that you need. And the state will also consider if you have any college or any of that kind of stuff. That's going to help you eliminate some of those years of requirements. Other than that, how do you know what kind of trade, basically, that you would need to get a license? Well, if you're doing anything on a house, pretty much need a license, right? If you're doing anything on a commercial building or a federal state building, those kinds of things. Now, you do not need, believe it or not, a contractor's license for Indian reservation. Now, I think I said federal a second ago, but you also do not need a contractor's license for federal projects. So you can go to town, bid on all those jobs. You know, if you have a corporation, you can go into the federal and try to land any of those jobs. So there's good news there. So basically, that's all you really need to that you need to know about getting a contractor's license.